Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to turn off the stitch features on a TikTok application. So basically, stitch feature is the features that provide by the TikTok that allow someone else's take part of your video or content to be part of their content, so they can like do a comment that gonna be stitching with your like several seconds of your content. So you can turn off those features so that no one's gonna able to reach your content. You just need to go into the TikTok and go click the profile. In the profile, you just need to click these three straight lines here and go click settings and privacy. And now you just need to go click the privacy here. In the privacy, you just need to go scroll down until you found a interaction section. In this interaction section, you just need to go click the stitch button here. And now in this stitch button, make sure that the option is in only me. So there is no one who can stitch your content except you. And if you already choose the only me, then everything is done. Just click X and go back into your profile and home sections to enjoy your TikTok video. That's all the way how to turn off the stitch features on a TikTok. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.